Have you ever wondered if you could do more with your YouTube channel than just get views or build a subscriber base? What if you could use your YouTube channel to launch a real business? What if that business could bring in consistent income by allowing you to work directly with people? Most people think you need a massive audience to start making money on YouTube, but that's not true. You don't need 1 million views or 1,000 sponsors. If you've been making videos around a specific topic or skill, even just for a little while, you're already in a position to turn that knowledge into a high-ticket offer. And when I say high-ticket, I mean a service you can charge real money for. So, what kind of business are we talking about? The kind that allows you to use your knowledge and expertise to help others. Coaching and consulting. These are some of the most powerful, flexible, and rewarding ways to monetize your expertise. You can start small, scale over time, and earn more by offering real value to people who are actively looking for help. Let's break this down. First, if you've been posting videos that teach, explain, or guide people through a process, anything from video editing to productivity tips, marketing strategies to fitness routines, you're already demonstrating your expertise. Even if you don't feel like an expert, the truth is, you only need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're helping. Most coaching clients don't want a perfect guru. They want someone who understands where they're coming from and can help them move forward faster. Think about your viewers for a moment. Some of them binge your content. They leave thoughtful comments. They send you DMs. They watch your tutorials, but maybe they still feel stuck. They want more than general advice. They want someone to look at their situation and tell them exactly what they need to do. That's the value of coaching or consulting. You're not just giving information, you're guiding transformation, and that's worth paying for. So, what kinds of topics work for coaching and consulting? Honestly, almost anything where people need direction, feedback, or accountability. If you have a channel focused on YouTube growth, for example, you can offer coaching calls where you analyze someone's channel and give actionable advice on how to grow. That could include anything from strategies for thumbnails or titles to audience retention or content structure. If your channel revolves around video editing, you can teach people how to use editing software more efficiently, how to tell better stories with video, or how to create professional-looking content for social media. These are valuable skills, and there are always beginners looking to fast-track their learning. Let's say your content is about marketing. You could offer brand audits, social media strategy sessions, or content planning consultations. You don't have to have worked for a Fortune 500 company. If you've successfully marketed your own content or helped others grow online, that's proof enough that you can help someone else. The same goes for niches like fitness, mindset, design, productivity, art, and more. Whether you teach yoga, show people how to draw, help others build confidence, or guide creatives through burnout, there's a group of people who would pay for your insights, especially if you can help them get results faster than they would on their own. So how do you actually set this up? It starts with a simple booking process. A tool like Calendly is perfect. It allows you to set up availability, let people choose a time that works for them, and even collect payment in advance. It eliminates the back and forth messaging and gives you a clean, professional way to manage appointments. Next, choose a platform to deliver your coaching on. Zoom is widely used and works well for this. It allows you to host video calls, share your screen for walkthroughs, and record sessions for your clients to review later. You can also use Google Meet or Skype if you prefer, but Zoom tends to be the most versatile and familiar for many clients. Then, you need to promote your coaching offer. That doesn't mean turning your entire channel into a commercial. Instead, find natural places to mention it, like at the end of your videos, in your video descriptions, or in pinned comments. You might say something like, "If you want personalized help growing your channel, check out my coaching link below." Keep it short, clear, and focused on the benefits for the viewer. Make sure that your offer is easily understandable. When someone clicks your link, they should immediately be able to tell who the service is intended to help, what's included, how long it lasts, and how much it costs. If your session is 45 minutes and includes a personalized strategy plan, say that. The more clearly you communicate the value, the more confident people will feel booking with you. How should you set your pricing? Many creators undervalue their time, especially when starting out. But coaching and consulting are premium services. You're offering your time, your attention, your experience, and your brainpower. And that's worth a lot. Even if you charge just $75 per session to start, booking 4 clients a month is $300 in additional income. Raise your rate to $150 and you're at $600 per month. Some coaches charge $300 or more for an hour session. If you deliver results and build a reputation, demand for your services will grow, and so should your rates. You can expand by offering group sessions. Instead of working with one person for $100, you can work with 10 people for $50 each. That would mean that you'd be making $500 for the same amount of time. You can also record your group sessions and turn them into a digital course later. In this way, you build assets as you go. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine a creator with just 2,000 subscribers. They teach productivity and digital organization. They decide to offer one-on-one consulting for $100 per hour, focusing on building custom workflows using tools like Notion or Trello. They book 5 clients per month for a total of $500. Then they host a $250 group workshop with 8 attendees for a total of $2,000. That creator now has a side business generating at least $2,500 per month without ads, sponsorships, or selling any merch. And they did it all by helping people apply what they teach in their videos. Now, here are a few tips to help you succeed. Start with a beta offer. Give away a few free or discounted sessions to people in your audience who are already engaged. Ask them for feedback. Use what you learn to refine your process and improve your sessions. And most importantly, get testimonials from the people you work with. If people can see that you've already helped others just like them, they'll be more likely to book with confidence. Keep your offer simple. Don't start with complicated packages or multiple tiers. One clear offer is easier to promote and easier to deliver. You can always expand later once you get feedback and see what your audience wants most. Focus on transformation. People pay for results, not just information. Your goal is to help your client leave the session with clarity, direction, and a next step. That's what will make them come back or refer others to you. Over-deliver. Especially in the beginning, go the extra mile. Spend an extra 10 minutes, share a resource you didn't promise, or send a follow-up email summarizing the session. That extra care builds trust and makes people feel like you gave them more than they paid for. And finally, stay consistent. Like anything on YouTube, coaching takes time to grow. Mention it regularly. Improve your service. Share your wins. Over time, you'll have a thriving side business that not only supports your income but deepens your connection with your audience. So what can you do right now? Set up a Calendly account. Write a short, clear description of your service. Record a short call to action for your next video. Add the link to your descriptions and pin it in a comment. Then offer a few free or discounted sessions to your most engaged followers. Ask for feedback and testimonials. All of that can help you build your foundation. You've already built something valuable by showing up consistently on YouTube. Now it's time to take that next step and offer something even more personal and profitable. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future content. Let me know in the comments what you would teach if you were going to coach someone. Remember, you don't need millions of subscribers or views to build a meaningful business. You just need to start helping people one session at a time. Thanks for watching.